Running a small business is like defending your home base during an alien invasion. You've got to keep everything under control: customers, orders, employees. But what happens when you need smarter tools to fend off the challenges ahead? That's where IT support and consulting from CSP Geeks LLC come in to save the day. Picture this. You're trying to keep your business running smoothly, but juggling disconnected tools and manual processes feels like fighting invaders with outdated weapons. It's exhausting, and you know there's a better way. This is where IT support and consulting become your tech superhero team. With cloud solutions and AI-powered automation, you can transform the way your organization works. Think of it as upgrading your defenses with next-gen tech, streamlining your operations and future-proofing your business. IT consulting is the foundation of your strategy, planning, and implementation. It helps you plan ahead, choose the right cloud platforms, and implement AI tools that eliminate repetitive tasks and free up your team to focus on what matters most. Let's talk about the common challenges small businesses face and how CSP Geeks can help you fight back. Challenge number 1. Staying organized across teams. Cloud solutions keep your team connected and your data accessible anywhere, anytime. No more digging through endless files or email chains. Challenge number 2. Wasting time on manual tasks. AI automation handles repetitive work like scheduling, data entry, and customer follow-ups, so you can focus on growing your business. Challenge number 3. Falling behind in a fast-moving world. IT support and consulting help you adopt cutting-edge tools to keep up with your industry, ensuring your business stays competitive and relevant. Challenge number 4. Scaling your business efficiently. Cloud platforms grow with your business, letting you add users, storage, or tools seamlessly as you expand. And here's the secret weapon: proactive IT support and consulting. It's not just about fixing issues, it's about implementing smart systems that prevent them altogether. Imagine running a business where your tech works so seamlessly, you barely have to think about it. IT consulting is your blueprint for growth. Whether it's moving to the cloud, integrating AI automation, or streamlining your processes, CSP Geeks LLC makes sure your tech supports your goals, not the other way around. So, what's the good news? You're not fighting this battle alone. At CSP Geeks LLC, we're your tech superheroes, ready to empower your business with smarter tools and strategies. Whether you need help automating workflows or moving to the cloud, we've got your back. Don't let outdated systems hold you back. With CSP Geeks LLC, your business will run smoother, faster, and smarter, leaving you free to focus on what matters most. Ready to transform your business? Let's gear up together.